Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Spencer from For the Low, and today I've got this Philips 5-disc DVD player to show you. The model number is DVD783C. But before we get into it, did you know that Disney once had the opportunity to actually produce Back to the Future? Yeah, they had that chance, but they turned it down because they said the mother-son relationship was too risque, so they didn't do it. But now that you know that, let's talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your digital audio, optical, and coaxial. And then you have composite video, as well as right and left audio outputs. You have two sets of them. And then there's component output for the best picture quality. And then there's S-video, and then your adjustment between S-video and component switch. And I'm gonna connect it using the composite cable. All you have to do is match up the colors. And then as long as you've got it connected correctly, you'll get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a DVD. And this is the original remote for it. So you can see all the buttons there. You have some CD functions as well as DVD functions. And then you can access the menus. You can adjust the display. You got your basic functions, of course: play, pause, stop, fast forward, rewind. And then on the front panel, there's a on-off button right there. Random, repeat, and clear for audio tracks. You have your disc select buttons there. Disc skip if you want to quickly change the disc. Disc exchange if you want to switch out 4 of the discs while one continues to play. And then right here you have a stop button, play button, pause, previous, next, and then open and close. But that's pretty much all there is for this Philips 5-disc CD DVD player. If you want to order one, you can check it out on our online store, or you can give us a call.